Hi children, welcome back to the lesson Simple Machines. In Simple Machines, already we completed about 4 simple machines, that is about lever, pulley, screw and inclined plane. Now the fifth one, in this session we are going to learn about the fifth one, that is wheel and axle. Wheel and axle. Wheel and axle. Okay, here what do you know about wheel and axle? Here actually axle is a rod. Axle is a rod, a supportive rod. To this rod, the wheels are arranged. To this rod, the wheels are arranged. Actually, the wheel is the one of the most important invention of the human. जो कुछ भी आदमी इन्वेंट किया उसमें से एक अद्भुत इन्वेंशन ये है कि व्हील. जब ए व्हील इन्वेंशन हुआ देन दे चेंज द टोटल वर्ल्ड. पूरा दुनिया का फेस ही बदल दिया. कौन? द साइंटिस्ट व्हेन दे इन्वेंट द व्हील बिकॉज हियर the traveling system, transportation system totally changed because of invention of wheel. Okay, so here if imagine if there is no wheel, समझो व्हील का इन्वेंशन नहीं हुआ तब we would be still moving on the foot. मतलब चलते ही जाना पड़ता था अगर व्हील का इन्वेंशन नहीं हुआ तो. क्योंकि जब व्हील का इन्वेंशन हुआ छोटे छोटे गाड़ियाँ, बुल्लक कार्ट्स, बाद में बाइसिकल, मोटरसाइकिल, बाइक, कार, ट्रेन, ऑल दीज आर इन्वेंटेड वन बाय वन आफ्टर द इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील. सो जब वहाँ व्हील रहता है तभी विल पावर रहता है, राइट. सो ये व्हील के इन्वेंशन के बाद पूरा क्या बोलता है दुनिया का फेट ही बदल दिया वो व्हील, राइट. सो दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ व्हील. सो व्हील अलोन इट इज नॉट ए मशीन. व्हील along with the rod, wheel along with the rod is called as axle and wheel. Axle and wheel. समझो आप ड्राइविंग कर रहे, ये स्टीयरिंग है आपका. वो स्टीयरिंग को क्या रहता है? एक रॉड. व्हील और रॉड, व्हील और रॉड. फॉर एग्जांपल समझो गाड़ी का पिछले वाले पहिए है ये, क्या होता? इसको एक रॉड मिलता है, राइट. ये रॉड है और ये wheels, wheel and axle, wheel and axle, right. Even to the bullock cart also there is wheel and axle. Okay, a wheel is alone not a called machine. It becomes a simple machine when attached to the rod called axle. With the rod attached, wheel is known as wheel and axle. Okay, so it is used in all vehicles and many other simple machines, right. So many machines they use this wheel and axle. Ultimately the powerful and excellent simple machine is the wheel and axle. Even the train also runs depending upon wheel and axle concept, right. So this is the importance of wheel and axle. Here we contain one or two wheels that are attached to the rod or axle, right. So each and every motor vehicle it contain wheel and axle. Okay, now these simple machines they combine together they combine together to run a big machine, right. The complex machines are made up of simple machines. Okay, with this we completed the lesson. Okay children, let us see the overlook of our 10th chapter, that is simple machine. And here objectives. First we can able to define the machine. What is a machine? Machine makes our work simpler. Very good. And distinguish between simple machine and complex machine. Actually complex machine contain many simple machines. The combination of simple machines forms complex machine. Very good. So simple machine is very small and easy to handle. Whereas list the types of simple machines. What are the simple machines that we discussed? The simple machines like lever, inclined plane, screw, and as well as next wheel and axle that we discussed, right. Next explain the structure of each type of simple machine and how makes our work easier, right. Already we discussed about them. And next Let us see the lesson, actual lesson. Machine are the things that make your work easier. The first line is the definition, right? So machine makes our work easier. Here, the sewing machine, the stitching machine used for the stitching cloths, and washing machine for the washing, and car for the traveling, fridge for the storing, computer for playing, doing some work, right? Mathematical work become easier with the help of computers. Whatever it may be, they are made up of simple machines, and these are all called complex machines. Complex machines are made up of simple machines. So look at here. In the figure 1 is trying to move the boulder, but it is very hard to move the boulder alone with the bare hands. Whereas when you use a lever, when you use a lever, you can easily move the boulder. Boulder is nothing but a big stone. Have you seen this? And next, here what she is doing, she is trying to take out the water from the well. So when she is pulling the bucket out of the water, it become very hard to her to take out the water. Whereas see how struggling she is. And whereas when we use pulley, by using pulley, it is easy to pull the bucket from the well, right? And next, look at this. The person has to keep the box into the truck, but it is not possible, or it is very hard to lift it. Whereas when you use the inclined plane, you can easily push the box into the van, right? So here, what are the simple machines that we discuss? Lever, pulley, inclined plane, screw, wheel, and axle. These are the 5 simple machines that we are going to discuss. So the first one is the lever. Here, lever, what is the lever? A lever consists of a rod free to move about a fixed point. From a fixed point, it can able to move, right? When you look at the figure here, wherever that you are doing work, wherever you are doing work, it is what we called effort. It is what we called effort. And there is a particular fixed point called fulcrum. I said rod move easily from a fixed point. That fixed point is called as fulcrum. And by using effort, we can move the load. We can move the load. Have you understood the concept? Here it has a rod. Simple, it has a rod fixed to a fixed point. Here there is not necessary that fulcrum should be at the middle. Fulcrum maybe sometimes it comes first, sometimes it comes here. So it depends upon the generations, but the first generation fulcrum is in the center, right? Here we know that, see, look it here, the boulder is the load, and as well as the small stone support the rod. The point which the rod touches the stone is fixed and it does not move. It is called fulcrum. Already we discussed. The force that we applied is called as effort. Very good. So now look at some examples here. Seesaw game. Here it is the fulcrum and load effort. Whereas here scissors, fulcrum is in the center. Fulcrum is in the center, and whereas effort can be done with our fingers, and it show the work on the load. It show work on the load, right? And next, opener, the bottle opener. Here it is the effort. Here it is the effort, and fulcrum will be in the center at the end of the instrument, and whereas we can lift the load with the gap. And next come to nutcracker. Here fulcrum is in the beginning, load is in the center, and effort can be done at the corners, right? So in the opener and in the nutcracker, load is in the middle, load is in the middle, whereas here the load is at the end, and it is called tweezer, used by the doctor. And here fulcrum is at the end, fulcrum is at the end, and the effort will be done in the middle, and it can lift the load, right? So this is about what you call lever, right? So look here, uh, can you say how this helps the surgeon? The tweezer is telling about the tweezer actually, right? Here, very important line. The lever used in this way increases the force. Lever increases the force that we applied. Lever can able to increase the force that we applied, and as well as sometimes the machine are also used to decrease the force to perform delicate job. In case of tweezer, the doctor when is holding the tissues, he should be hold properly, means smoothly, so that he use this lever. So the fulcrum of a lever may be anywhere along the length of rod. So along the length of rod, the fulcrum may be anywhere, right? So these are the examples. Next, very interesting one, that is pulley. Here a single fixed pulley consists of wheel with a groove, and a rope passing through the groove, and the rope passing through the groove is called as pulley. Actually, here pulley, very interesting thing about the pulley is that it can able to change the direction of force. Pulley can able to change the direction of force. Actually, the force is applying like this up to here, whereas when it take a turn, it changes the direction of applying force. It changes the direction of applying force, so that it increases the force, right? Pulley can be used together to increase the force. Now let us see, the single pulley consists of wheel and groove with the rope passing through it is called pulley. The single fixed pulley shown does not increase or decrease the force. The single pulley does not increase or decrease the force. It simply changes the direction of the force, right? So look here, it changes the direction of force. This is about fixed pulley, simple pulley, one pulley. Many pulley are used in trucks, and as well as what you call, already we discussed, crane, JCB, in that we use them, right? And next, inclined plane. Inclined plane is simply a slope over which the load is pushed up, right? It is a slope, simply it is a slope. Let us see the examples of slopes, right? Here what we observed, ramp. In the hospitals there is a ramp for the carrying wheelchair or stretcher, and whereas inclined plane is used to load the van with the goods. And here steep slope and gradual slope. Steep slope, it is very hard, whereas gradual slope, it become easy to travel, right? Why? Because ये एकदम चढ़ती है, right? So very hard है, whereas the another type gradual slope, स्टीप मतलब एकदम एकदम चढ़ा हुआ रहना बहुत मुश्किल रहता है, ये ग्रेजुअली ऐसा टर्न्स लेके गया तो ईजी रहता है, राइट? नेक्स्ट, see here, however, less steep slope also means that the distance of the load has to be pushed larger, right? So less steep, समझो ये स्टीप नहीं है, ओके, सीधा नहीं है, तो क्या होगा, पुशिंग का ज़्यादा ज़रूरी रहता है. अगर वो एकदम स्टीप है, पुशिंग का ज़रूरी बहुत कम रहता है, राइट? सो लुक एट द स्टेटमेंट, it would be difficult for the bus to climb the hill of the road whereas very steep, where it is very steep. अगर एकदम चढ़ा हुआ है तो बस चढ़ नहीं पाते. That is why hill roads are built gradual slopes so that bus can easily climb, right? But the bus has to travel greater distance, isn't it? एकदम गया तो 2 मिनट में पहुंच जाते, लेकिन वो कैसा जाना, ऐसा 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 घूमते जाना 5 मिनट लगेगा इसको, right? That is what he is trying to explain. And next, wheel and axle. Wheel and axle. Here wheel and axle is attached to the automobile which can able to run itself, right? Look at this, wheel and axle. With the single hand we can handle the many works. These wheel and axle are used in all vehicles. They are used in all vehicles. The wheel attached to the rod is called as wheel and axle. Next come to screw, right? Here screw looks like a nail with the grooves, cut in it. So here it has a winding edges called threads. अपन इसे threads कहते हैं, देखो threads कहते हैं इसे, right? So to insert into the wood, it has to be screwed in by turning it round and round with the help of screwdriver. When you with the help of screwdriver fix it, it is going to fix properly. If you use the normal plain nail, then it won't be hold the particle tightly, whereas if it have the threads, definitely it is going to fixedly hold it. We use screw jack in our daily life. This screw jack can able to turn around to lift the car easily. Not only car, it can able to lift many heavy weights, right? So this is about the revision of the lesson. In the next session, we will discuss about the question and answers. I hope you understand well, Nana. Thank you very much.